Hey, welcome back to another video on the Emacs Goodie series, and today we're going to talk about save history mode, which is the same or similar to the previous video I made about save place. So that one saved your place in the file, but save history just saves your history in the mini buffer plus some other stuff, but mainly that, which is pretty cool. So for example, if I'm going to demo it right now, if I go to the mini buffer section and I go to the eval, as you can see over here, if I go up in my history, if I press the history key binding, meta P going up, it starts showing me items from previous Emacs sessions even after closing it because it saves it, so it's persistent. So that's pretty nice and pretty awesome. Now, let me show you the configuration that I have for it, which is pretty bare bones because it's pretty straightforward and works out of the box. There's not really much that you have to do. As you can see, I have it declared here, and then I have it turned on after Emacs starts, which is pretty awesome, pretty simple. Now, let me show you the file itself. Save history mode. So, oops. As you can see, it's saved mini buffer history. That's the main idea behind it. And then this variable, it says if you want to save the mini buffer history, yes or no. You might be thinking, why is that even on there? Well, this mode also lets you save the history of other variables that you can declare. For example, right here, save history. Save hist additional variables, so you can declare more stuff to save. So this is just saying, hey, if you want to use this for other variables that is not the mini buffer, then just set this to nil and you're good to go. Those are the only two variables that I can think of that are, that might be of interest. Of course, there's the usual, ignore these variables, regex, things like that you can add if you'd like to disable or just ignore some custom variables that you have. Of course, saving where you want to save the file is always an option as well. The permissions mode, things like that. So I'm not going to go into these because these are pretty straightforward. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video on save history mode, which is pretty awesome. And I use it a lot since I found out. So I just have it enabled by default now. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Thanks.